right, folks, welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up your very own app using BV mobile apps. Ready? Let's dive in. All right, to get started, open up the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search for BV mobile apps. When you see it, hit install. Once it's done installing, tap open to launch the app. Sign up process. When the app opens, you'll get a prompt asking to allow notifications. These will keep you in the loop with announcements, promotions, specials, and important account info. Next, tap Create New Account to get yourself set up. You'll start by choosing your username. Heads up, this will also be your unique URL and it can't be changed later, so pick wisely. Then enter your email address and confirm it by typing it again. After that, create a password and confirm it. Now it's time to fill in some personal details. Enter things like your first and last name, your zip code, and your birth date. Before wrapping up, please check the box to confirm you've reviewed the terms and conditions as well as the privacy policy, and then tap Sign Up. Almost done. You'll get a verification email sent to the address you provided. Open that email and follow the instructions to verify your account. And just like that, you're all signed up and ready to dive in. After verifying your email, log back in to begin the setup process. Setting up is as simple as 5 steps. First up, naming your app. Don't just slap on a cool name like your show's name and call it a day. You want to boost discoverability by including keywords. Think of it like this. Instead of just your brand name, go for something like your brand name plus keywords. Bam! Now users searching for places or community apps might find you easier. Next, the short description. Keep it tight and clean. This is your 80-character elevator pitch. Simple, clear, and no hype or weird jargon. Tell people what your app does and why it's cool, plain and simple. No fluff. For the long description, go into the juicy details. What features you offer, what makes your app special. Don't forget keywords. Pick words that match your app's purpose and audience so folks can find you in the store. Oh, and your app icon? Mandatory. Make sure it's 1000 by 1000 pixels, nice and crisp, ready to catch the eye. Step 2, build out your profile. Your profile has tabs: social, music, video, radio. Don't have a website? Just check that box saying so. BV mobile apps will autofill a profile link for you. Optional stuff like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, SoundCloud. Fill it in if you've got it now or come back later. No pressure. Heads up, apart from your username, pretty much everything else is editable anytime. If you're running a radio station, pop your streaming URL in here. No URL yet? No worries, skip it and add later. Got multiple stations? You can add those after setup too. Step 3, adding a blog. Yes, it's required. You gotta add at least one blog post to move forward. Not optional, folks. Your blog can cover stuff like your bio, your station info, upcoming events, or new releases. Make sure your blog post has a clear, catchy headline, a body that's informative and engaging, keywords that help people find it. Bonus points for a blog image, but hey, you can add that later if you don't have one now. Once you save your blog post, hit this check mark to keep going. Step 4, design. Now we get to the fun part, designing your app. When you open the design section, you'll see options for color, main, photos, music, and videos. If you swipe over, you'll also see the More tab. The Color tab is where you choose your app's colors. The primary color controls the background of your navigation bar. That's the top section of every page. The secondary color applies to buttons and links throughout your app. That includes highlighted tabs, navigation buttons, and links inside your blog. Pro tip, go with a darker shade. For example, if you pick red, use a deeper red. If you pick purple, go with a darker purple. Why? Because the text in that bar is white, and lighter colors will make it hard to read. Want to see how your colors look before locking them in? Just hit the preview button. Change your secondary color to pink? The preview updates instantly. Switch your primary to purple? Same deal. You'll see it right away. The main, photos, music, videos, and more tabs are the sections inside your app. The images you upload here are your header images. They appear at the top of each page. The main tab is where your blog lives. You can rename it or even hide the tab name, but the blog itself will always live inside the main tab, no matter what you call it. The main header appears at the top of the main tab on iPhone. The mini header shows up above your blog or radio player on iPhone, as well as in parts of the navigation bar. You can rename your tabs to match your vibe, update your header images anytime, and swap things out later if you want to refresh your look. And don't worry if you forget something. You can always update everything later from your account dashboard. All right, step 5, create your app. If someone referred you to BV Mobile Apps, enter their information in the referral field. Then click Create My App and head to Checkout where you'll see the button Select My Plan. From there, you'll land on a screen where you can see all the available plans. Just review your options, pick the one that works best for you, and you're on your way. No matter which option you choose, you can save 20% by selecting the annual plan. If you have a promo code, enter it here. It's not case sensitive. If you have any questions about billing, just click the question mark to view our FAQs. Once your app's set up and you've paid, it's time to create your developer accounts. One with Apple, one with Google. Why? Because we need to submit your app to their stores so users can find and download it. No need to do both at once. As long as we get access to one, we're good to go. Need help? Check your email for step-by-step setup instructions. Or head over to bvmobileapps.com for support. And there you have it, your full roadmap to launching your app with BV Mobile Apps. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to app stardom. Catch you next time.